Hello, in this video I am going to show you how to reset network setting in XIAOMI Redmi Note 10 Lite. First you need go to your setting on your phone, then scroll down and find the connection and sharing. Here you can scroll down and find the reset Wi-Fi, mobile networks and Bluetooth. Click on it, then select the reset setting. Here you can confirm your password, next, and reset all network setting now. This might take several seconds. You won't be able to under this action. Click OK and this all to today. Goodbye.